there's so much torque from this powertrain. Hi there everyone. Today we are driving a 2003 Mercedes CL500 on our channel. I want to say a huge thank you to Awesome Cars of York, PA for providing me this car. I will attach all the information down below in the description, so if you're looking to purchase this car, check them out. But let's get this 8-cylinder beast fired up and go take a look outside and take it for a quick spin. This is one sharp looking coupe. It's got those frameless windows, chrome wheels. I gotta say, I love these late 90s, early 2000 vibes. And I know all of you love these older cars, so I definitely enjoy filming them a lot. And honestly, these are just so fun to drive. They're such great cars. See if we can open the trunk. I guess you got to use a key. So let's see. Let's try it like this. Well, that is not going to work, but that's okay. Let's go check out the engine bay. Pull this, and our engine is right here. Look at this beautiful massive V8. All right, let's go take a look inside. I still wonder why the trunk doesn't want to open. Let's take a look in here. We got high quality leather with massage, all our stickers. And the doors are so heavy and solid, just the way they close. We got ventilation and heat. Everything is adjustable, memory seats, sunroof, really nice. Auto dimming mirror with the home link, SOS button, map. I don't know if this works, but let's see. We got auto climate, dual zone, sport mode. I guess there's a way to open this somehow, but I don't want to break it. Leather dashboard, CD changer, a map. I love these older cars. ABC Sport. The shade on the back still works, surprisingly. We got our sport mode right here. Let's do a wiper test. These are massive, beautiful wipers. Horn, and let's begin our drive, shall we? Alrighty. I'm not gonna talk too much during this test drive because these beautiful German machines speak for themselves. They are phenomenal. Steering feels great. It's heavy, and I love the wooden steering wheel. It's so classy. That V8 rumble. We have a firm, responsive gas pedal that has some good effort to it. Let's go to sport. Haha. It picks up. Now Now this Mercedes definitely can move. Some great power. Now the alignment, of course, is not ideal, but that's okay. But we'll just have to adjust to it. What a nice riding Mercedes this is. At 50, it feels I'm just like gliding. The cabin is hushed. Brakes are grippy. I love this. And there's so much torque from this powertrain. As you can see, I'm barely adding any throttle, and the car just goes. Now we will go do a 0 to 60 test very soon here once we hit a nice straightaway. We'll see how quick this car gets up there. But for sure it moves. All right, let's come to a full stop, reset the draggy. 3, 2, 1, let's go. And we did 6.7 seconds. Very nice. Very nice. Let's do one more try right here. See what we can do. We'll just let that car through. Unfortunately, that car cut us off, and we did 6.67 here. But that's okay. Let's do one more time. It's all right. Let's come here, come to a full stop. All right, 3, 2, 1. .8 seconds. Not bad. Not bad at all. .6. All right. And let's do a final one right here. All right. So 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Yes. Perfect. Alrighty, and we got it. Awesome. So 6.9, 6.8 seconds 0 to 60. Here was 6.82, and then we got 0 to 62 in 7.16, and the 1/8 mile in 9.72 at 75.36. Good numbers, good results. Nice. And here we got, let's see, history, drag. 9.98 and 75.86. Very good performance here. 6.8, 6.9 seconds. It's consistent. Haven't done any better yet, so that was the best that we got for today. I think like 6.7, 6.8 on average. A very nice, powerful ride. It definitely feels super quick to me. It's very linear, very consistent, and the aero grows pleasantly. Well, everyone, this sums up our test drive for today. I hope you all enjoyed this quick drive. I definitely like this experience. Very nice ride. Solid V8. Super smooth, comfy, refined. Exactly how you would want it to be. And it's honestly a great bargain for under 10K. You know, I'm sure with age there's things that can go wrong with the electronics here. Obviously, probably not everything works, as we already came to realize. But again, solid ride, good technology. It's a great technology for the years, and a very lovely V8.